Welcome to the
AOKE
factory. Let me take you on a complete tour to see how our products are made step by step. First, the product structure section. Think of it as the skeleton of our products. We use various laser cutting machines to process metal parts into standardized components. This isn't about a single product. It's about our overall manufacturing capability. Next comes our welding process. For welding, we choose different welding techniques based on the product type. For mature products, we use robots and robotic arms for welding for better consistency and appearance. For products in development, we use manual welding with fixtures for more precise control. In welding, we have been continuously upgrading to improve our overall efficiency. Next, we move to surface treatment and quality control. In this section, we polish the workpieces as smooth as possible. The goal here is straightforward. Don't let any defect pass to the next step. Spraying and inspection are critical steps in our process. On this production line, we combine surface inspection, assembly, and spraying, which as a whole makes our products more standardized and controllable, ensuring every product comes out in the same condition. At the same time, we continuously work on optimizing energy and production efficiency. For core components, we keep production in-house. For core systems like electronics and motors, we handle assembly and testing internally. The reason is simple: to make our products safer and more reliable. For accessories and injection molded parts, we prioritize consistency. Through our fully automated and standardized processes, we achieve consistent, standardized quality with minimal variation. We also continuously advance automation for better overall quality control. This is our testing workshop. Before products leave the factory, we run a complete set of tests using various testing instruments and industry standard procedures to ensure product reliability. The core idea isn't just to pass the tests, it's to catch and fix all issues in advance. During the sample stage, we have a rapid sample response system for faster prototyping and validation, so customers can make decisions sooner. Core transmission parts like lead screws are now fully produced in-house. Full in-house production makes our products more reliable and easier to deliver. From today's tour, you can see three key things about us. First, we have core in-house manufacturing capabilities. Second, we have a complete quality control system. Third, we have strong overall manufacturing capabilities. These three strengths together are the foundation of our long-term stability. If you're looking for a reliable supply chain and complete solutions, please reach out to us. We can provide you with complete solution packages and samples.